Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do a full face of first impression video. So I've bought a bunch of new makeup products from Nykaa and from Purple in the month of July or August I guess, and I haven't used any of the products before. So today I'm gonna share all the products with you all, and I have got a lot of options, so let's see what I use. Okay, so without any further ado, let's start the video. So my face is clean. I've just washed my face and did not apply anything. So first I'm gonna start with a toner. So for that I have two options. I have this Alps Goodness Tulsi toner and this Plum face mist. So I think I'm gonna go with this one. So as I can see, it has a very nice smell to it and instantly hydrates your skin. I like this product. So for moisturizer, I have this moisturizer from Badi Herbals. Okay, so for primer I also got two options. One is this NY Bay primer, which is a silicone based primer, and another one is this Smashbox primer water, which is a silicone free primer. So I think I'm gonna use both, as this for hiding all of my pores, and I'm gonna use this for smoothing my skin base. So I'm gonna take this much, warm it up a little bit, and then apply onto my pores to minimize my pores. And this really worked nicely, like all of my pores were hidden. Okay, so now let's use the Smashbox primer water and let's see how it works. I'm very excited to use this one. So it's dried up now, and you can see it it's giving me a very glowy kind of a look. I'm really liking it, and it did make my skin smooth. For foundation, I have the Rimmel London Match Perfection foundation, which has got SPF 20, and I am in the shade 200 Soft Beige. Let's see how this works. So I'm gonna take some of the foundation on my mixing palette and warm it up a little and apply it on my face with my fingers. And first I'm gonna blend the foundation with my fingers nicely, and then I'm gonna blend it with a sponge. So as you can see, the foundation is blending very nicely, and also it gave me a nice base, and I really like the foundation. This is a medium coverage foundation, you guys. I think I'm gonna go with another layer, so we can also see if it makes it cakey or not. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. I don't think it made it cakey. It's just fine for me. It looks pretty good actually, and my skin also looks a little glowy. I'm gonna apply some concealer, and for that I have this Wet n Wild concealer. So I really wanted to get a concealer which will just conceal my under eyes and not brighten it up. So I've got it in the shade medium tawny. I'm hoping that it will be my skin color. Let's see. So there are days when I don't like to wear foundation or do a heavy base, but also I want to hide the dark circles and any pigments or dark spots going on my face. So that's why I got the concealer in my skin tone, so that it will just do the work. So the concealer is very good, and it blended out very nicely, as you can see. Now for blush, I have the Faces Canada Glam On blush. I've got the shade Blush Apricot 06. This is a very nice apricot peach kind of a shade. Okay. So this contains a little golden sheen to it. So the blush looks very pretty on your cheeks, and also it blended out very nicely. Moving on to eyeshadow, I have got two palettes. One is from Wet n Wild and the other one is from SFR, and I'm gonna show you some of the swatches. It's very pigmented. Like, look at the colors, they're so pretty. The matte colors are a little chalky, but I don't mind because this palette is very cheap, and what can you expect more from such a palette? But still, I like the palette. So I think I'm gonna use this palette today because I want to do something colorful on my eyes. I'm gonna take that pink shade and apply it on my crease and blending it very nicely. Then I'm gonna take that maroon shade and apply it on top of that pink shade and to make it more intense. And then I'm applying the pink shimmer shade all over my lid with my fingers, and then I'm gonna use the same maroon shade and apply it on my lower lash line. I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer and apply it on my inner corners, and then apply the neon green eyeshadow on top of that. Then I'm gonna take the shimmer champagne shade and apply it on my brow bone. I'm not gonna apply any eyeliner today, and I've got two mascaras. One is a blue mascara from Lakme Iconic, and another one is the Colossal mascara from Maybelline. Definitely I'm gonna not use the blue mascara, so I'm gonna go with this mascara. Guys, if you want a very good mascara and also affordable, then you can definitely go for Maybelline mascaras. Like, Maybelline makes one of the best mascaras. Okay, so now coming to lipsticks, I literally got a lot of lipsticks, like a lot, so I don't really know what I'm gonna wear. I think I'm gonna wear this one from Nykaa Matte to Last lipstick in the shade Rukmini. This will go with my eye makeup as well. So guys, I'm gonna quickly go and apply some false lashes and do my eyebrows and come back and show you the final look. So this is how it looks, and I think it looks pretty well. I really like the foundation, how it's working, and it doesn't look cakey, although I applied 2 layers of the foundation, and everything is nice till now, and I really like it. I don't know. Do let me know in the comment section how you feel about this look. And yeah, let's see what I have got next. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna share what else I have purchased. So coming to lipsticks, Matte to Last lipstick from Nykaa. And then I have got the Smashbox Duo lipsticks, which has the shades Gulabe, and this is the shade Bossy. And after that I have got this Nykaa Get Set Matte on Fleek lipstick, and then I got this lipstick for free because I purchased a foundation, and there was an offer going on, like if I purchase products worth rupees 3000, then I get a full size complimentary lipstick. And if you guys don't know, I am a makeup artist, and we need to work with a lot of shades. After that I've got this lipstick duo again from L'Oreal Paris. So It contains the shade 121 I choose, which is pinkish nude color, and then 115 I am worth it, which is a red kind of a color. Then I have got this Nykaa Get Set Click powder compact. So I thought this was a compact, but it is not a compact. Actually, this is a cake foundation. Let me show you. This is how it looks like. Let me show you, give you a swatch. This is very creamy, like, see. And I think this is a little light for my skin, so I'm gonna give it to my mom. So next I've got a hand cream from Nivea. I really like applying hand creams. I was using the Face Shop one, but it's almost finished, so I needed to get a new one. And also in this COVID situation, as we are all applying hand sanitizers a lot, so our hands are getting very dried up. So you can apply hand creams to keep your hands moisturized. And now from Purple, I have got this lipstick from NYB, and which is, I guess, a red lipstick, and another is from Darling Isabella, which is also a red lipstick. Then I have got two Bella Voste lipsticks. One is a maroon color and another one is a dark brownish color, I guess. Yeah. Another one I have got is this purple lipstick, which is this color. Guys, do let me know if you want to see a complete new video of all the lipstick and swatches. I'm gonna do it in details. So moving on, I have got this Good Vibes face scrub in the shade raspberry and peppermint. Yeah. And then I have got the Good Vibes watermelon gel. I wanted to buy all this for a really long time. I'm gonna use it and give all the reviews to you guys on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, then an Instagram handle and everything will be linked down in my description box. Do check it out. Then I have got M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub and body polishing oil. So these were like free gifts, and also I got this face wash from Plum. So guys, that was all the products that I have purchased, and do let me know if you enjoyed this video or not, and let me know what you guys want to see next. And if you are new, then please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any videos. Share with all of your friends and family, that will mean a lot to me. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.